Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Weather has been very hot. Appa feel like drinking something cooling lah. At least for Chinese, this watercress soup is about cooling down our body. Okay, so very easy to make, and I'm going to use to steam the soup actually today. First of all, let's look at the ingredient. I have a few pieces of chicken parts here. You can use, actually most people out there, they will use pork ribs, yeah? But I'm using chicken, no problem at all. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. Then I have a few pieces of carrot cut into small chunks. This is one piece of red dates, yeah? The seeds removed. And 2 pieces of ginger. And of course, we have the watercress. And I'm using my 100% natural premium chicken stock powder. Yeah, for those interested, you can actually get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. This is a super easy dish. Put everything together, and then you go and steam it. Done. All right, we will put the watercress at the bottom. After which, we will put the meat. Yeah, I'm using chicken today, and the carrot. Two pieces of ginger, the red dates. Actually, Appa is not the red dates person, but red dates is good for, especially for women, yeah. So I'm adding in. It will give it some fine salt. So I'm cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Actually, any soup outside, they will always, at the restaurant, they will always add 2 things. Number 1, they are going to add MSG. Number 2, they will add chicken powder. Then we will add in some filtered water. Okay, I added in about 500 ml. I think I don't mind adding a bit more. Right. Now we can send this to my steamer. Now when you use steaming function, basically it is like doing double boiling. What do we mean by double boiling? Double boiling actually means that you are, double boiling actually means that you are using an indirect heat, yeah? Indirect heat to boil the soup. And so that the nutrient actually comes out, released much better. Okay, because it releases very slowly due to the gradual indirect heat. So when you use a steaming function, then you can achieve the similar a similar result like double boil. Right. So once your steamer is preheated, you can actually carefully put it in the middle. And let it steam for between 30 to 40 minutes, really up to you. To me, 30 minutes is good enough. I almost forgot I actually have a cover for the pot. Let me stop it for a while. And close it. Let it continue. Right, this is after approximately 30 minutes. I'm going to open it. Let's let the steams releases. Then we very carefully take out our soup. All right, here's the soup. It's going to be very hot, be careful. Wow, looks so good. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let me try a bit. Very nice. I will probably just add a little bit more salt to it, then it's fine. So if you like my very simple video today, this is a double boil watercress soup. Why Chinese like to double boil? Because we always like to bring out the best nutrient from the ingredient, all right? And double boiling is the best technique. You use the indirect heat. So usually they will put inside a pot where they will boil the water, then using the water to boil the soup. But today, we are actually using a steamer. Yeah. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and also YouTube as well. Yeah.